Hello and good morning. My name is Yashasvi Acharya. You have tuned into Crypto TV and these are today's top trending stories from the world of crypto. But before moving on to the headlines, Ticker Plant, a leading global content provider in the financial information services industry and the holding company of knowledge portal CryptoWire, has collaborated with Google Cloud. The partnership with Google is aimed to develop the CryptoWire ecosystem that will cater to all stakeholders of the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry on a common platform. And these are today's top headlines. Crypto rally peters out as Fed hints at rate hike in future. Ripple Lab announces a $200 million stock buyback hits $15 billion evaluation. Mark Zuckerberg-backed DIEM in sale stocks ending stablecoin. FTX US raises $400 million to boost growth valued at $8 billion. Putin asks Russian central bank to reconsider crypto ban. IMF urges El Salvador to drop Bitcoin as legal tender. SEC defers decision on ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF to April 3. YouTube hints at potential NFT features. Valkyrie applies to list Bitcoin miners ETF on Nasdaq. A brief rally in crypto that saw Bitcoin trading near $39,000 was short-lived as the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization fell back below $37,000 after the US Federal Reserve reiterated its resolve to reduce the size of its balance sheet. At the time of publication, Bitcoin was changing hands at about $36,800,000, down slightly over the past 24 hours. According to CoinDesk data, Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was trading over $2,450 and was up slightly during the same time period. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said that he won't rule out an interest rate hike at a future meeting and signaled that the central bank would steadily remove support for the economy in order to fight high-time inflation. Bitcoin briefly rose to nearly $39,000 right after the US central bank released its statement, as some investors believe that the Fed decision to hike rate later was positive. Bitcoin was trading at about $36,171,000, down 2% over the past 24 hours, while Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was trading over $2,410 and was lower by 1.4% in largest trades. Ripple Labs, the San Francisco-based blockchain technology company, is buying back $200 million worth of Category C shares issued to investors such as Tetragon, SBI Holdings, and Route 66 Ventures at the end of 2019. The buyback move comes amid Ripple's legal trouble with the SEC dating back to December 2020. The SEC has accused Ripple of issuing and selling unregistered securities in the form of issue of its native XRP token as an unlicensed digital asset security. Ripple's attempt to buy back its share is expected to push up its valuation to $15 billion, reports said. RippleNet platform has seen transaction double in 2021, while it has also signed an agreement for assisting Bhutan and Palau in rolling out their respective central bank digital currency. The controversial cryptocurrency project of Mark Zuckerberg, which he once defended in front of the Congress, is coming to a close amid talks of an imminent sale. The DIEM Association, a cryptocurrency initiative earlier known as the Libra backed by Meta Platform Inc., is in sale talks to return capital to its investors. Bloomberg reported. Meta, then Facebook, had first unveiled the idea of its stablecoin in 2019 in collaboration with dozens of its other companies. However, after Zuckerberg was called to testify, some partners abandoned the project and it changed its name to DIEM. Thereafter, DIEM scaled back its ambitions and its founder David Marcus left Meta last year. DIEM said in May that its affiliate Silvergate Bank may issue a DIEM USD stablecoin, but abandoned the plan after failing to get regulatory assurance. FTX US, the local unit of cryptocurrency exchange FTX led by Sam Bankman-Fried, said it raised $4 million at an $8 billion valuation. FTX, the holding company of the US unit, commanded a $25 billion valuation in October and was set for a valuation of $30 billion. FTX US plans to use the $400 million to accelerate its growth on the warpath to becoming the largest crypto exchange in the US. FTX US entered market in May 2020 and now has 24-hour trading volume of $255.5 million. The exchange traded $67 billion in spot crypto last year. Paradigm, Temasek, Multicoin Capital, SoftBank and others participated in the exchange's maiden round of funding. Russian President Putin seems to be opposed to the central banks of Russia's stand on banning cryptocurrencies in the country. In a January 26 video conference, Putin asked his official and the central bank to debate on the country's likely policy framework on cryptocurrencies. In his message, Putin urged the officials not to overlook the advantages that Russia has in areas linked to cryptocurrency, especially in crypto mining, surplus power supply and skilled manpower. Last week, the Central Bank of Russia revealed a plan to completely ban cryptocurrency transactions and mining. Russia has emerged as the third largest crypto miner after the US and Kazakhstan. The International Monetary Fund is urging El Salvador to drop Bitcoin as legal tender, saying it entails large risk for the Central American nation's economy. The IMF's recommendation came following negotiation with El Salvador, whose government is asking for a $1.3 billion loan to help pay down its debt. The IMF said that El Salvador adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender alongside the US dollar is unsustainable. The multilateral agency's executive board said El Salvador's Bitcoin embrace possesses fresh risk to the nation's financial stability, financial integrity, and the consumer protection, as well as the associated fiscal contingent liabilities. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has deferred a decision to approve the ARK-21 shares Bitcoin exchange traded fund originally proposed in July 2021. The US market regulator said it was pushing ahead the deadline for approving or disapproving the ARK-21 shares Bitcoin ETF to April 3rd from Feb 2nd. The CBOE BZX exchange originally filed the paperwork to apply for the ARK-21 shares Bitcoin ETF in July 2021. The SEC, in a separate filing, also extended its window on a proposed rule change allowing shares of an ETF tracking Bitcoin futures from agricultural fund provider Ethereum to be listed on NYSE Arca. YouTube CEO Suzanne Wojcicki has suggested that the company is actively looking to branch into NFTs in the future as another source of revenue for creators. The intention to branch out into NFTs was part of Wojcicki's latest letter to the YouTube community, which outlines areas the company plans to invest in, like gaming and shopping, and how it plans to support creators. Wojcicki said YouTube is looking to Web3 as a source of inspiration, especially noting the opportunities with crypto, decentralized autonomous organization, and NFTs. Other platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram too have recently rolled out their own versions or are rumored to be considering an NFT feature. YouTube did not provide additional details on what NFT features could look like at the company. And in other news, CryptoWire, a crypto super app which also includes the channel Crypto TV, that's us by the way, has announced the launch of India's first index of cryptocurrencies, IC15. The IC15 index is aimed at helping investors track the performance of top 15 widely traded liquid cryptocurrencies listed on leading crypto exchanges across the globe. That's all for today. This is me, Yashasvi Acharya, signing out. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to know what's going on in the world of crypto and in the world of blockchain technologies. Have a good day.